When you move into a new home, everything feels urgent. Some decisions seem visible, others feel temporary. But not all decisions carry the same weight. Some purchases quietly organize daily life long after the excitement fades. Lighting is one of those decisions. In the morning, natural light carries a room. But as daylight fades, something shifts. Artificial light becomes the atmosphere. It shapes how a room wakes up and how it winds down. It establishes zones. It influences circulation. Other layers respond. Furniture placement adjusts. Artwork is positioned differently. A home gradually adapts to its lighting, and once that adaptation happens, the influence becomes structural. Lighting integrates quickly into daily life. Changing it later is not impossible, but it does mean reopening decisions that once felt settled. Lighting isn't permanent, but it quietly shapes perception. A home does not need to be finished to feel stable. Sometimes clarity comes from understanding which decisions quietly shape daily life and allowing the rest to wait.